here, back here again. So I needed something to put the Seagull motor on. So I scouted around the garage to see what I could find, and this is basically what it it ended up like. It's not pretty, I know, but hopefully it will do the job. I bought a load of bits some time back, and I had a few of these in there. So I basically strapped that onto 3 thicknesses of wood, 2 brackets, angle brackets. Probably even better if they were just 45 degrees without all this silliness on the side, but that's all I got lying about in the garage, and a small piece of ply to put my base on. Basically I'll fit my builder's bucket on like that. And there we have it, one Seagull motor, all primed, ready to go. Sat in the bucket, just whacked a screwdriver in there for now, so I'll get a proper rod with an angled piece on one side so it doesn't drop out, and obviously when you come to start her up, well,